Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find and edit scheduled posts on Instagram in just a few simple steps. First, open Instagram on your mobile. Next, tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. To edit a scheduled post, you first need to schedule a post. For that, tap on the plus icon at the bottom center. Select an image from your gallery. Tap on the next button. Tap on the next button. Add a caption for your post. Tap on More options below. Tap on Add Reminder. Here, set the time to schedule the post, and also write the event name. I have already set a time and an event name. Now, tap the tick icon at the top right corner. Go back, then tap on the Share button below. Your post is now scheduled. To edit it, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner again. Let me refresh once, and as you can see, my scheduled post is now showing here. If your post doesn't show up here, I'll explain that too. But first, let's see how to edit the post. To edit the post, tap on the post. Then, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. Tap on Edit. Here, you can edit the post as you wish. Once done, tap the tick icon again in the top right corner. Now, let me explain what to do if your scheduled post is not showing on your profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Scroll down, and you will find the scheduled option there. And that's it. How to find and edit scheduled posts on Instagram. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.